Hey YouTube, so it is Monday, April 18th, and they're calling for 5 inches of snow between now and tomorrow morning. And the problem is we've got 5 inches of snow right now, and it's still around 7:30, 8 o'clock I guess. So I guess we're gonna have about a foot by tomorrow if it keeps snowing all night. The temperature's just right at where it needs to be to stay snow, but it's supposed to warm up by Wednesday. I thought you may want to see this video. Not really one that I normally put up, but at least it'll give you an idea what's happening in north central Pennsylvania. Have a good one. I figured I'd add this to the video quick. Yeah, it's definitely a good 5 inches, and like I say, if it snows till tomorrow we'll have a foot.